Hey friends, today we're making pot stickers plus a simple ginger garlic dipping sauce. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and perfect for a cozy dinner or fun appetizer. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need all-purpose flour, water, finely chopped cabbage, grated carrot, minced garlic, minced fresh ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, olive oil, rice vinegar, and a little honey or maple syrup. Optional, chili oil or chili flakes. Mix flour and water until it forms a firm dough. Break it into small pieces, then roll each piece out nice and thin. Now we start building our pot stickers. Lay one wrapper flat, then add a small spoonful of filling right in the center. Don't overfill, a little goes a long way. Gently fold the wrapper over the filling to make a half-moon shape, and press the edges closed with your fingers. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just make sure it's sealed and you're good to go. Heat olive oil in the pan, then gently add the pot stickers in a single layer. Let them sit undisturbed for a moment so the bottoms can turn golden and crisp. Stir together soy sauce, rice vinegar, minced garlic, minced ginger, and a little honey or maple syrup. Then transfer the pot stickers to a plate and serve with the sauce. Crispy, cozy, and packed with flavor, these homemade pot stickers are always a win. If you're making this a full meal, I've linked my fried rice video in the pinned comment. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.